Hey guys, welcome back. This week I'm breaking down 4 text effects, so let's get started. Hey guys, if you're new around here, my name's Alma and I make videos every Monday at 12 PM UK time. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I promise you won't be disappointed. So this week I'm going to break down these super easy text effects. If you're anything like me who would love to create motion graphics lyric videos but don't want to spend hours of time doing it, I'm going to break down these techniques that are super easy to save you so much time, and all under 2 minutes. Let's go! Number 1, this flicker effect. I'm going to create a new comp and place in a new solid. It doesn't matter what color, just hit OK. In the effects panel, type in gradient and place this onto the solid layer. From there you can choose the 2 colors you'd like. Finally, select the text tool and type in a word. In the layer panel, go to the front of the timeline and go in by 1 frame. And select Shift, Command and D to split the layer. Move in another frame and split it again. Move in 1 more frame and do the same. Delete the layer in between. Then go forward 2 frames this time and split it again. 2 frames again and split it again. Delete the layer in between. Then move in 3 frames this time and split it, but delete it. Finally move in 1 last time, split the layer and delete the layer in between. And there you go, your flicker effect in 2 seconds. And on to number 2. Create a new comp and background. I'm going to add 2 texts here. First the word stroke, then the word typewriter. It'd help if I could spell right. Okay, bro. In the effects panel, type typewriter and drop this onto the text. From here, open up the layer and you can see the 2 keyframes. These keyframes set the length of time it takes for the text to type on. Move the end keyframe to where you'd like the word to fully appear and you're done. Less than 5 seconds. On to 3. This Writeon effect. Now I have a full in-depth tutorial on this effect with a link for this in the description below. First, grab the pen tool and draw a new path for each text of the character. Once you have this, go to the effects panel and grab stroke and drop this onto the layer. In the stroke settings, click on this box here to select all masks. Increase the brush size to cover the text. For me it's 40. I can't really see it covering properly, so I'm going to change the color here to red. At the bottom, change the paint style to reveal original image, which will get rid of the brush color. Then at the beginning of the timeline, click on the stopwatch for end, which will set to 0. Then move to where you want the text to fully reveal and set this to 100. This effect has saved me so much time on so many occasions I've lost count. If you learn one thing from my video, I hope it's this one. Number 4. For this I want a lightning bolt, so I'm going to draw in a shape that roughly represents it. Open up the shape layer and turn off the fill. Then open stroke and change the color and size to your preference. And then open up taper. Here, change the start and end lengths to 30% to get the lightning bolt effect on each end. Then click on add here, then trim parts and open this up. Make sure you're at the beginning of your timeline and click on the stopwatch for end. This is the same as the stroke effect. Start at 0, move to where you want to reveal everything and change the 0 to 100. You can really have fun with this and play around with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Honestly, these are the effects that I use constantly when looking at text or writing any sort of text in my videos. The flicker effect can also be used in Premiere, so you don't really have to make sure you're in After Effects. But I have to say, the stroke effect in After Effects has saved me so much time. And it's so simple to do, and when I show people, they're like, what? I thought you physically keyframed every letter in and then moved it. No, it's literally knowing how to use After Effects. So if you smash the like button to let me know that you're enjoying this. And as always, stay inspired.